Welcome to Pharmaceutical Engineering.
Hi everybody. Today we're going to take a look at some documentation, but first I like to always put an end statement at the end of every program that I make, just shows the reader where the end of the program actually is. And we will save that, write that to the PLC. Okay, the first thing is if you look under we'll take a look at the program itself and see the first rung just turns an output on and off. The second rung is the inverse of that, turns the output on and off. Now the program looks pretty plain right now, so we'll put some documentation in there. And under the Tools menu, you'll find 4 different things that you can do for documentation. You have the documentation editor, assigned nicknames, comment editor, and title page editor. We're going to do the document editor. There's also Control D, which will bring it up. And on here, we just write down exactly what it is. We have the nickname, we have extra info, we have description. So we fill that out, and I won't bore you with all the filling out, and we'll just skip the video and I'll have it all filled out in a second. There we go. And now we have all of the nicknames filled out. You'll see that automatically dictates what nicknames are, and make sure that you covered everything in your program. So what we can do is go with the first rung, and again we just went under Tools and we went to Comment Editor. And in the Comment Editor, it allows you to go rung by rung and document exactly what that rung is doing in your program. Now remember, every program should actually read like a book. And we'll do the same thing for rung number 2. And for the last rung. You can see this tool is very useful to actually document and ensure that your reader understands exactly what's going on in the program. Also, it's very important when you go back a year from now, maybe 2 years from now, you know exactly what you did. Okay, so now we have all our documentation done. The one last thing to do is we'll actually put in a title page. And a title page will only appear when you actually print out the document. And what we'll do is save that and write it to the PLC. So everything's also saved into the PLC. And as you see, our program is still working, functioning correctly. And as you notice, it's a little easier now to understand when the things go on and off, especially if you've never seen this program before. Then what we're going to do is print this out. And we'll print this out. We'll print it actually to a PDF file. And we'll just give it a name, first program. And here's what the output looks like. So this is what the printed output will also look like. This is put in a PDF, and you can see how readable this document is. The last thing is nickname assignment. Now, if you were to write programs, you can actually create nicknames without actually assigning them to a physical I/O. This way it allows you to create your program, and then later, when you know what the I/O numbers will be, you can then enter them and assign them here. Very useful tool.
Please subscribe us.